Hi guys, when your computer starts slowly for a long time, if you want a quick boot, then we'll show you how to turn off Windows boot programs. First you right-click the empty position on the taskbar, then select the Task Manager. If it's the first time you open the Task Manager, you choose More Details to display the items in the Task Manager. In this window, there are many entries. You select the Start Up to see which programs are running with the same Windows. In the Status section, programs are turned on or off when the computer starts up. Software with the letter enabled will start with the word when the window starts, and the word disabled will be turned off. To turn the software off when the machine is opened, you select the software, then right-click on Software. There are options. You choose Disabled or choose the software and select Disabled. Depending on the need to use the software, which you turn off or open the necessary applications to the computer when out of operation faster. So you already know how to disable Windows bootable programs. If you see or like, share and sign up to watch more videos. Hello and see you again.